That's what she said. That's where we came from, the rapids.
Don't worry that you can't see everything on the side you're on, because halfway during the trip you switch sides. And even though we go between two Canadian points, we do actually cross the American-Canadian International boundary line a total of 4 times. 2 on the way to the Great Cave up ahead, and then 2 on the way back to our dock. Don't worry, you don't need a passport. There's no customs officers here for us. The Whirlpool Aero car has been running since 1916 and has taken hundreds of people across the water since its inception. Those of you on the right side of the car as we go forward, if you look to your right, you will see our whitewater rapids. Those are class 6 rapids, some of the most dangerous. The only road allowed in these waters is if you look downriver, you'll see 2 boats. Those are the Whirlpool Aero. They have their dock in Niagara on the lake and they travel upriver as far as the Whirlpool, and they turn around and go back downriver. They do not go on the whitewater rapids. If you want to see the rapids up close, we have the whitewater walk, where you descend by elevator and have 1,000 feet of boardwalk to walk along. I suggest you do that, especially after doing this ride, because you can see how ferocious they are up close and personal. Also, for those of you under 50 feet, also the force of the rapids can pull them into the whirlpool, and that would not be good. Definitely no swimming. The depth of the whirlpool itself is about 125 feet. Just keep moving, folks, please. If someone wants to sing, we can go ahead and sing. Okay, so those of you that are now on the right side, you can see the beach where the local fishermen like to go fishing. There's a